Hi everyone, welcome to our channel New Idea, and I hope you're doing amazing today. In this video, I will show you how to install Procreate in your iPad. But before that, I have to mention that Procreate is only designed for iPad and an iPhone, and it's not available for Android devices. So if you have a tablet or any Android device, you can use Autodesk Sketchbook. Although I haven't used it personally, but it's the most popular creative app available. This app has so many cool features that you can use, and it could be a great alternative for Procreate app if you're using Android devices. You can add pictures, draw different shapes and lines, set your drawing to different perspective, work with layers, and a lot of other features that is available. So, back to our Procreate app and its installation. So, here is my iPad. I'm using iPad Pro 12.9 inches with an Apple Pencil. I also use a paper-like screen protector for my iPad. This screen protector is really great, and I feel like I'm drawing and writing things on actual paper. I've been using it for a while, and I'm really happy with it. It makes my drawing process really easy, since it's not slippery. I bought mine on Amazon with a price of almost $40. It comes in 2 pieces, and it has different sizes depending on your iPad. Anyway, when you're done setting up your iPad, you can go to App Store and search Procreate. For me, it says open because I already installed it, but you should see an install button next to it. Once you press install, it will ask you to pay and how would you like to pay it. Don't worry, you will only pay $10 for downloading without any subscription and renewal fee after that. After you're done downloading, press the open view icon. It will also appear here, so you can open and start using this amazing app for your drawing. So thank you so much for watching, and in the next video, I will show you how to use this app to draw.